All right, you guys, let's put a wig on before my kids wake up. And this wig is coming from V-Show Hair again. They sent me their beautiful 24-inch straight, and this one is glueless / pre-cut. So I don't have to do any cutting, and I can pop this on within seconds. See? No combs, but it does have an elastic band, and like I said, it's pre-cut. First, even though that this is HD lace, we're going to see if we can make it extremely seamless, and we're going to use our Temptation by Red by Kiss in the color medium brown. Now we're going to go in with our favorite duo, ORS Wig Grip Spray and the Ebon Extreme Hold Melting Spray. So it's time to do the big reveal. Y'all tell me, is that not the most seamless, beautiful, straight wig that y'all have ever seen? And I didn't have to do much to it. I didn't even have to re-flat iron it. It came this bone straight. Easy breezy. I love it. Link is in the bio.